What's up? Look how dirty this thing is. Absolutely nasty. Super owner. What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another vlog. Today is kind of a fun day and it's gonna be a sad day. You guys will find out why it's gonna be a sad day later in this video, but we are working on the BMW motor today. I'm currently just waiting for Matt to get here. He's on his way and he's gonna help out with the work on the BMW. We are gonna rebuild the top end today. I was hoping to rebuild the bottom end today, but I ordered the wrong gasket, so later this week I gotta go to the store and get a new gasket. But other than that, we're gonna rebuild the top end, and I'll catch you guys when Matt gets here. What's up? Look how dirty this thing is. Absolutely nasty. Super owner. The man's is here.
So what happened?
Wrong gasket. So now it's just cleaning.
Well, you took the engine apart. There's your problem. Ooh.
They're all like that.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, they're all like that.
Oh, it's just built up crud?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they're all like that.
I was like, damn.
But yeah.
Must be valve clearance or something?
No, sure. So there is a slight change of plans. I was gonna put the Z away later today. That was gonna be the sad day. So now it's gonna start off with a sad moment, but that's okay. This man's Matt showed up and he's gonna drive me home after I drop it off. And then after that, we're gonna go to Lordco, get the new oil pan gasket and a couple other things, and then we're gonna work on the motor. So we'll catch you guys when I get to the garage.
Get the full of that.
Last week. Goddamn that.
Chance to get. Take two. For real.
Some droney footage, but put the Z away. Sad days, but yeah, we're going down to Lordco right now to go get my new oil pan gasket for the BMW. Hopefully we get the right one this time. Matt's being a ween and pissing the guy off behind us right now. But yeah, catch you guys down at Lordco. Boom, refunded. Alright, so we've returned the oil pan gasket. Now we gotta wait for the other one to come in, hopefully tomorrow. Picked up one piece of Scotch-Brite. They didn't give us a receipt, so we can't return it. Kinda sucks, but whatever. Heading back to my place, we're gonna clean up the top end of the motor, and we're gonna hopefully put it together, paint a couple things, get a few things ready for primer, or for paint, and we're gonna go from there. Man, this drives like a fucking maniac. Gonna lose my shit.
It doesn't fit?
No.
What size are you? Where did you come from?
Got him.
Okay, what is it?
3/8.
3/8. Oh. Hey guys, it's Matt. I don't know if you guys have ever seen Cameron's BMW, but he wants to turn it into a drift car. He bought it from our buddy Stu a few months ago, and this is kind of the way it's sat for, I don't know, the whole summer? Yeah, maybe? So here's a little clip of what we've got to work with here. So this is it. What year is this thing, Cameron?
88.
1988 BMW E30. It's got no windows, no doors, no dash. It has no back bumper. It hasn't been washed.
Dash? Look at this.
Oh, there's the dash. Okay.
It's got oh, it's got no doors. We sold the doors. We need the doors.
It's got sunroof though. It's pretty cool.
Oh,
it doesn't seal, but
it's open.
Oh,
dumbass opened that.
It's been like that for a while, obviously. The engine's out.
Covered by a tarp that's not tarpish anymore.
Tarp's just full of water down there, so the fuse box is completely empty. It's a bit of a project, I guess you could say.
Project and a half.
But it might make a good little drift car. You never know. He's got 3 welded diffs ready to go inside it. So Cameron picked up this BMW E30 with no engine in it at all. It was already taken out by the previous owner, and most of the car was already stripped. Luckily, it came with the old motor and the old trans, so we're just rebuilding it right now. We're doing a little bit of a revamp on it because it looks awful. It was full of water and we had rusty water dripping out of it, so we need to pressure wash this thing, get it all cleaned up. We're gonna give it a little bit of a sand, try to clean some of this dirt and grime off of it, and then maybe get this thing running. You never know. So this is the engine that came with it. It's a 2.7 liter inline 6, naturally aspirated. We have 2 ECUs for it. We don't know if either of them work. Supposedly the diffs that came with it are all right, and we plan on welding them. They're not welded quite yet. We've taken this thing and washed it down a little bit. We're gonna hit it with some more degreaser and a little bit of Scotch-Brite, hopefully clean this up so it looks pretty. Catch you in the next clip, we'll let you know how it goes.
Start the video with no pants.
Like all you see right here would be like from chest down and then just legs.
A few moments later.
What's up guys, the battery died while we were working on everything and I didn't get to get it on the charger right away. So I didn't get to film everything, but we did get a fair amount done. We got the head all cleaned up, we got the block all cleaned up. I had to sandblast and paint the studs because they were all rusty. So we got that all done. Look, all done. The block's not looking too nice, so we might clean that up a little bit more. This side's looking great. And we got the head nice and cleaned up. So Matt's gone. He's gone home a while ago. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope to get more content out for you. I ordered a new battery, or a second battery, not even 5 minutes ago. I don't want to keep having my camera die on me, so I ordered one more so I can keep vlogging throughout the day, and I'm gonna try and keep this one charged. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.